excellent second half here. Kagiwa on the move. Kagiwa sets up Jimbo Aquino. Yes, sir! Alam mo, lalabas mo. Kumitin na ako. Ang hirap na bawiin.
Of course, Joseph Pacheco so animated on the sideline.
Kagiwa almost loses the ball. Covered by Miller. Jimbo Aquino. High Lupo!
Got it again from the outside. Is this guy a rookie or what?
Jimbo Aquino. Blocked by Optiveros. Drop pass. Eric Ben. We're tied.
Napaganda pa. And Jimbo Aquino not giving up on the play. He got blocked, but he had the assist. Wide open Eric Meng.
Is he a rookie? Because I'm really not sure. I am not sure.
And watch it. Right there. The block shot.
But kept his composure. It's very un-rookie-like and a veteran-like pass to Eric Meng. And we're all tied at 68.
Sobrang sarap talagang maglaro sa Ginebra, lalo na crowd favorite. Ang daming superstar. Kaya sobrang happy ako. Pagka pinasok ako, talagang gagawin ko lahat. Pag naglaro ako, hindi ko niisip na rookie ako. Basta iniisip ko lang maglaro. Kung anong binibigay na trabaho sa akin, wala nang room yung kaba para maging rookie ka. Basta dapat maging matured ka na, nasa pro na